Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Vibe 2-pack auto LED lights. These would go under your seat, under your dash, anything like that. I'm not going to unbox, I've already done that, but I will show you the lights before I mount them. I'm going to show you how I'm going to mount them in the Roush Ranger, and I'm actually going to do them under the dash, but I'm going to do it in a way where I hide the wires because you just don't want wires everywhere. So to show you how I'm going to do that and how it will work for a lot of vehicles, maybe not all of them, but I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the box, just so you can see. Vibe Auto 2-pack LED car interior. So this is what the package looks like. So let's get started on the lights. So this is what they look like. You can see right here, they've actually turned on green because I opened the door. Little sticky two-sided tape in the back, LED green lights. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put them up underneath here, and then I'll show you how they go. We're going to hide all these wires. They do plug in through USB. So I've got them plugged in here. This little accessory I have where I can plug them in here. I could plug them in here if I want, but I think if I tuck all the wires up under here, it's going to be a lot cleaner. I've got one on this side, and then underneath here, if you go all the way back here, so underneath in the very back is a little opening, and I'm running the other one back through there instead of just over in front because it would look terrible that way. So on the other side, I'll show you how I push that through. Okay, so what I did was on this side is I actually pushed the light through back there, and what I did was I used this this is a tire changing iron for a motorcycle. Anything long like this will work. I use this because it's rounded on the end, a lot less likely to puncture something or cause a problem back there. And what you have to do is, before I did that and pushed that through, I kind of stuck my hand all the way through there. You got to make sure that there's nothing there that you're going to damage back in there. So I found a little spot, an opening. What I did was I taped the LED onto the end of this using black electrical tape, and I just pushed it through so this side. So now what I'm going to do is use some alcoholic wipes. I'm going to find spots underneath the dash where I can clean, and that's where I'm going to tape the LEDs. I'm going to clean up the wires, and I'll come back and I'll show you when it's fully installed and what it looks like. So really quickly, I wanted to show you, this is the alcoholic wipe that I used underneath the driver's side where I'm going to stick it. See how dirty that is? That's why you need to clean your surface with an alcoholic wipe, because otherwise these lights are not going to stick if you don't clean the surface. We got USB right there. It goes up underneath here. Yes, my truck needs cleaned. All the way up under. I've got everything bundled up and tucked in back behind there. And underneath you can see that I have this one stuck right there. And I'll show you the driver's side as well. This is the passenger side stuck underneath. All the wires tucked way up underneath here so you can't see them. There's the ball wires. All the way run up through in here so you can't even see any of the wires. This took less than 10 minutes to do. And I'll show you the driver's side, then I'll show you with them lit up. And so the wires, the other wire comes from here, tucked up in through here. I put a little piece of electrical tape just to hold it in place. And then if I can get back in here, I stuck it up underneath in a little spot on a metal rail right there. And so that's how I have them mounted. Now with the truck running, you can see the green LEDs on the driver's side, and you see the green LED light up on the passenger side. So that's a quick little review and setup of the 2-pack LEDs. Got these as a gift from my youngest boy, so I wanted to install them. I'd been waiting, I hadn't installed them in my truck. Thought I'd do a video showing them to you guys. It's an easy install. It only took me about 10 minutes. Really easy to hide the wires, at least in this truck. So I recommend them. They look good. You know, they're not bad. It's nice accent lighting, so I would recommend you picking up a pair. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and you can find a link to pick these up in the description as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Have a great day.